Yeah, we are here at the headquarters of Swarovski Optik. So this is the place where we produce all these lovely products for all the birders in the world. So we produce here the lenses, the prisms, the housing components, but also we have the whole development department here. So around about 900 people in the meanwhile are working for Swarovski Optik, so to bring really these beautiful products out into the field. A lot of them are based here in Absam, in the headquarters, where we do the production side, as I mentioned already. So the company was founded more than, or close to 70 years ago, in 1949, where Wilhelm Swarovski founded the company here in Absam. So he started with a binocular. He developed the first binocular, and now we are still a family business. So from the history, we never changed something in this case. We have now also a family member on top of our company, and that is definitely a huge difference to a lot of other brands and companies out in the field and out in the market. I wouldn't say that we have secrets. So it's really the way that we have a strategy, or that we have values in the company. So one of our values is sustainability, for instance. Since ages, we are based here in Absam, so we are in the middle of the beautiful countryside of Tyrol. So of course we have also a responsibility to the people who work here and to the nature which is around us. And so what we really do is take care of this environment and to the people. So sustainability is one of our core values. But of course, as everybody knows, quality is also very important. In the end of the day, this counts for all the bird watchers out in the field when they're using our binoculars or our telescopes. And then of course also the service issue is very important. So customer service, repair service, to be just there if something is coming up. So people are buying our products because they know they buy the best products, but if something happens sooner or later, we have a really excellent customer service and repair service, so that if you buy a product for Swarovski Optik, everything starts when you buy it, and it's not the end of the story in this case. So yeah, let me talk about our flagship products. First of all, the EL binocular, which is known as one of the best binoculars in the world. So it's a Swarovski technology, which gives you really the best optical performance in the end of the day, and that's what birders in the end of the day want to have. And it's very easy to hold, so the focusing wheel is there where it should be. Optical quality is outstanding, and I think it's quite clear that the EL is really part of every birding trip, anyhow where you are in the world. And then of course we have also the BTX here in this case. It's part of our modular telescope series. So instead of an angled or a straight telescope, you have now the opportunity to choose also a binocular telescope. So it's the first time that you have the opportunity to use both eyes to look through a telescope and observe very relaxed. So when you have, for instance, a flock of waders or something else in front of you, it's the perfect partner for you for these kind of observations.